Good afternoon. Welcome to Rivqyah's Craft Corner, and today I am doing a CESdeals video. I have two stashes. Tomorrow I'll do the other stash, but today I'm going to do this stash. Now, on the CESdeals, I thought I had bought full drills. Sadly, I found out that there is two partials in this. I looked on the site. So the first partial is this one right here with the koalas. I was a little surprised. I thought I would have gotten a full drill on this, but I didn't. It was a partial. I don't know if this is poured glue or not. I never tried to check and see if it was poured glue. What you receive here is a glue, pen, and a boat. And in here is about, it has 8 colors, or 8 colors. And like I said, I'm not sure how I feel about the fact that they are partial drill, but that's okay. So what I'm going to do is, after I'm done, I'm going to put them all together and I'm going to put them in a box. So this one right here, number 1, there is black. I hope you can see it. So I'm thinking this is 310, but I'm not 100% certain. Don't know what color this is. It's like a gray. And then it has a hitchhiker, but I think this is like a dark brown, and that is like a taupe, and that's a lighter taupe with a hitchhiker, and then that is almost like skin color, but like a grayish tan color, and then even lighter, like a lighter greenish tan color, and then white, which I think might be 3865. So overall, I'll let you know how it goes. But yeah, that's my first one. Again, it's a partial. It has it's 2 koalas. And is it sticky? Not too sticky. And is the drills real good? You can see what I'm doing. That's about all I can say about it. So overall, I mean, this will be a very easy snap for me to do. So I am going to put it back in. It's a little case, and I'll work on it when I feel like working on it. Right now I've been working on my TSA, which is this one right here that has all this beautiful blue. That's what I've been working on. Next one. I got a full drill. This one's a full drill. And it is gorgeous, and it's a size, I think the size is pretty much really small, but I think I can work with it because of how small it is. And I am so happy for Patty, this thing from Patty Wax. So very happy. Thank you so very much for it. It really has been my safe thing. So the Patty Wax, it's 2 owls. You can kind of see it. It has 13 colors. And it is a seven and a half, probably by 7.5. It's not no 12 by 12. Oh, I hate when I can't reach it. Oh, sorry, it's a... Oh, what size is this? It's an M. It's not a feet. So it was 7.5 feet, which doesn't make sense to me, because it says 3 feet on it and 1 M. So, what? But it's, what size did I get? Sorry guys, I'm going to find out what size I got. I'm going to go up here and look at this animals. View the order detail, and it should tell me the size of it. I'll have to look. So sorry about this, people. It's a full round drill. It's round drill. And the size? They usually tell you the size. "25 centimeters, they say. Don't think it's 25 centimeters. Maybe the whole thing is 25 centimeters, but like not the drilling area. Yeah, it's the outside. The drilling area is less. It's like 19 centimeters by 19. So 19 centimeters by 19. You receive a drill pin, glue, and pink wax. It's a pretty small glue, but yeah, you receive that. It is full drill, and you can, I think you can see the drill area. It doesn't give me the DMC numbers, which is fine. I can work with it later on. So, but the DMC numbers are on here, I believe. Now, warning, as I open this up, you will hear a little bit of crinkle. Please pass this, but I have to open it. So this one has, like I said, 13, and it has the yeah, it has the drill numbers. It has the DCM numbers on the package. So here you go. This one is 168, which is a taupe, I guess. Olive green is 169. Black is 310. 318 is this color here. 414 is a light brown. 415 is this color here. I don't know if it has any hitchhikers. Doesn't look it. This one is like a 452, which is a brownish of some sort. 543, which is actually the color of skin color in my mind, peach skin. 762 is like this greenish gray color. And 834 is this yellow color. And 377 is this color right here. 3860 is this color right there, and 5200 is pure white. So yeah, I'm looking forward to this one. It looks like it's going to be easy to drill, but the size is not correct. Whatever anyone tells you, it is not correct. So I will definitely be putting this in my stash to work on later on. So I'm still cleaning out my house to, not house, but cleaning out everything to get it done. Now this one I got, and I know it is a partial. But you gotta tell me this is not pretty. Now this partial only has 8 colors. The DMC codes are on the side, and there's 2 sides right here. So yeah, DMC codes. But look at how cute that is. Yeah, I got 2 of them, the same exact one. One is for my husband to try out diamond painting. Hey everyone, wish him blessings to do this diamond painting. I think he'll do fine. But yeah, this is his diamond painting. Now I got a second one that's exactly the same thing. Same exact one. But it was folded this, and this one's for me. So I got 2 of them. That's why I'm not showing both of them at the same time. But you receive a diamond painting pen. You receive pen, you receive glue, and you receive the boat. But this is for my husband. I think he'll like it. I hope he does. And now I'm hoping Crashly understands why I kind of want a panther for my husband. Because I'm trying to get him interested in diamond painting. I know it sounds crazy, but okay. So 310 has at least 3 hitchhikers in here. That's 310. Boy, it looks more shiny than it should be. And then there's a gray. Then there's a lighter gray. Or are they the same one? No, they're all different one. 317, 318, and 415. And then there is 3857, which is this reddish color. 3858, which is this color right here. 3859, which is like a peachish color. And then we have a hitchhiker in here of 3865, which is my nemesis sometimes, because I was working on that on my custom. And this is definitely round drill. I'm letting him learn easily. So this one I'm going to hand to my husband, because this one belongs 100% to him. So hold your horses and they'll... And it's the same with this one. So this one is actually mine. I am not opening it because I already showed you what's there. So I got 2 of that one that I just showed you. So let me hand this to my husband. Jeffrey, your first diamond painting, your first and only diamond painting at the moment for you to learn how to do.
Thank you, Dad.
Love you. Last but not least, I have a clock. Another clock. Yes, you asked. I got another clock. But this time it's my favorite clock. I fell in love with this. I fell in love with this setup right here. Just fell in love with it, and I think that would be so pretty. So, you receive more than just a pen, glue, and a boat. You also receive tweezers. you receive these clock mechanisms, which I have not figured out how to use yet. So, anyone know how to put these together? Let me know, please. I have no clue how to do this one. And it's this. Isn't that gorgeous? I love it. I'm actually planning on putting that up in my house as our clock in the house. I think that will turn out really, really pretty. Now, it looks like there is some ABs here. And there is some crystals in here. So we're going to go little by little and show you what we got. The amount we have is 4. That's all. 4 colors. Strange but true. This one, I believe, is 310 ABs. Oh my word, I got 310 ABs. Eee! I got 310 ABs. I never had 310 ABs. What do you guys think? That's so awesome. I got little blues right here, light blues, which will probably fit in that area right there. I got these teardrops, which will probably fit in that area right there. I'm not 100% certain. Don't quote me. And then I got these, which are like a purplish color. I'm not sure where I'm going to put these. Oh, probably right here. So, that is all the colors I got. 4 colors, guys. 4 colors. So, yeah, I'm looking very forward to doing this one. I will not be doing it right now, as I am so busy with this TSA. And I have this little guy that needs to go back in here. So, yeah, that is my haul, as per se, for my CESdeals. Now, CESdeals, I deal with quite a bit. Most of the time I deal with them. I got so many things from them. Still waiting for one more thing in the mail. And hoping to receive that too. So, with that done, I showed you 4, but there was actually 5 in this package, of my CESdeal paintings. As you could tell, there were 3 partials and 2 fulls, I believe. No, 2 partials, 3 partials, a clock, and 1 full. For now, I'm going to say adieu. Please thumbs up. Please comment and let me know how I am doing on my videos. Please subscribe. And please ring that bell. So you know when I actually post another video. Many blessings and shalom.